Arnie. Tattoos are popular these days, and I see many with butterflies, monarch or otherwise. Why would you tattoo yourself? Where? And I mean, what would you tattoo on yourself? Where and why?
Well, it's funny you should mention that, Madam Table Topics Master, because I recently did, in fact, get a tattoo, and I'd like to show it to you. Well, maybe we better keep this PG.
Just a headshot here.
Where would I get a tattoo and why? The why is the hardest part, because I've never quite figured out the why of this. I've noticed that many tattoos these days are done by people who are young. And when I was young, I have to say that the decisions that I made were not always the best ones. And I'm very glad that many of those decisions were not etched indelibly into a permanent place, like on my skin, so that I would have to live with it forever. So I'm a little confused by the popularity of etching these things permanently into someone who acts as if they will never be a parent and have to explain this to their children. Or never be a grandparent and have to explain it to their grandkids. Or never actually look at themselves and have to realize, my goodness, this is what other people have to look at forever. Now, having said that, there's some kind of visceral appeal to this. Maybe it's some primordial instinct about marking yourself and making yourself stand out. So at this point in my life, having children and maybe at some point having grandchildren, and thinking about how to explain some strange phrase or picture of a naked lady that's on my skin somewhere, I have to pass, Madam Table Topics Master.